Hey, ungibona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Angicela ungangijaji ngifuna le mali ungibona ngiphanda kaje Ungibona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Angicela ungangijaji ngifuna le mali ungibona ngiphanda kaje Ngibekisa kwetafuleni Ngibekisa kwetafuleni
Sanibona Bafethu, and this is your boy Okatla Kontariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kampela Matiba aka Mr. Cool himself Internet Samakonji Black Lomo Toti Black Giaconi Poti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's what they call me, Intariana Bafethu. Welcome to Ikasil Bugeda Bafethu, your number one show in Soweto Bafethu. Nesiba Makura Drive Bafethu, Makura Drive Car Wash. No dumping Bafethu. This is not a dumping place. It's a place where you network and have fun. And welcome Bafethu Premier Lifestyle Guest Out. If you are around the group and if you give, utholakala la ekhaya ngizokubonisa ukuthi senza kanjani ama ninja yami ngapha ezinye zezinja
Uchiro Minare numero uno Gambino, aka Chiro Vici Luciano, first black Italiano. You know how it is, isn't it? The Soweto, Soweto, and Fanda.
somebody
I know if I'm not expecting that.
Danko Asiam Nalela. Thanks for coming to the show. Thanks for coming to the show and willing to be open. This is for you, but Soweto. We are bringing a idol as a cast. We're putting back the
OG,
to the man.
only the OG.
Taking it back. So much into one.
So sure, Bafethu mina nguthokozani wakajiyana also known as uMabhokoto elinye futhi ukumbafaya lasekasi ya ethi mina ngiyawuthasekazi Orlando East ngazalelwa eBhara ngine-twin brother yami ngithokozisi jiya ngithola
Yeah.
ya
So
lasekasi
okay, ungitshele mfethu ne-question la ekhaya yabo.
ya
Siyayibuza njalo sayibuza. Njengoba uzile namhlanje xa sikuvukile kahle. Uhlangane nani mawuvuka ekuseni? Uboneni ekuseni baba?
into ethunekile ekuseni vandag mangivuka whenever mangizoqala ukubeka amanzi okugeza intwana eka-sister lami u-Esther eLikhothi
Yeah.
sasibonole lami into ingiboleka indisho yokugeza yabo
Yeah.
so ingiboleka indisho yokugeza and then ngisathela amanzi la amanzi asaphola mina okay ngisasebhizi ngalowo ngibhizi ngawo la ngithola ngisaqoqa washing engizogqoka impahla engizogqoka so umuntu ongijaha ngendisho yokugeza like tamampela
Yeah.
and intwana umshana kimi like yabo
Yeah.
sengithembisa ukuthi izongifaka impama like into engiphathe
Telela lentana.
yeah into engiphathe plan
Kanti
na 42
Yeah.
yeah I was born
83.
1984
Oh, una 42.
yeah bengenza 42 nge-29 zaka-April this year
So
last April
lenkwana ekhalamela yona inangaki?
China 20.
incane man yeah incane man
Noma 20.
yeah
Yabona mshana. Awuyenzi la yini? Awudeleli malume. So lapho sokududu.
nyancane into lami yabo whenever imeshota anything ngiyabalansa but
Sure.
leso izongiphakamela ngakhona ngazo ine-stress sayo sanisane ndibeyisipana trend and then angazi istopile isipanini
Oh, manje keep stress ukuthi
ungazogibele nestuff yabo
Mm.
and bekumuntu ubloma nesisteli lami like olelayo nethema layo so sisteli lami nethema layo like ba-separative
Yeah.
so manje yabona lale ngigaya intwana yami i-stress
I'm
Yeah,
impressed.
sure.
because manje seyi-one le-final but sikhona nathi family yakajiyana
Yeah. Yazi manje into ngifuna ukuyibuza before ngijampela kuwethilo ne. Ukuze ungitshela ngento tasingana mkhulu. Yama-dustbin man.
yeah ama-dustbin like umhalezo wasekasi like sesilwisana nalabesuthu lawa nendawo zama-dustbin ewenziwe Thursday makuzwakala ledithi sizophatha ngosibhayeti ezithola la ema-dustbin yangithola
Yeah.
zirecyclable ezinye zagqokeka yabo lifestyle esiphila egazi
Yeah.
into like ya etrendayo
Manje niphusha-phushana ngama-dustbin amuza umuntu athini. Baphusha-phushana ngama-dustbin.
Nalezi zabesu.
Mara kasla.
zasiphakamele lezo besuthu
Akula bananalezi angithina kisiphanisa kona se.
Yeah.
Angoba vele ngiyacaba lezi ukuthi nalapha i-deport la kudanswa khona.
Yangithola.
Sithi over lezi seziya owner la. Kumele uhafe makumele ukuthi uze la uzorecycle la.
Silwisana amakolokolo sakoshi tobele kasilawo and abantu abangasilwisi futhi emkhalezweni wale kasi. Abantu bale kasi silwisana thina ama-South African. Asincanyanga thina ama-South African.
Manje mawukhuluma kanje njengoba ngeke ikhiphe abantu bangaphandle thina ngale ndawo cabanga ukuthi bayikhipha labantu bangaphandle ukuthi sizoncanyana. Ngabe sekuhamba labantu bangaphandle sizoncanyana or kusazoluya ukuthi yithi sawulwela lento ukuthi abantu bangaphandle baphume.
Sisazolwa for ispace like sisazokhawatana like fucked up. Yangithola. Sisazokhawatana fucked up. Angiboni into wrong labantu ababuya ngaphandle. Okay. Bese bathi basithathela iy'pani but thina samswenza ama-study suit isigeleza iy'pani like uworld era indini ubhowa uku-akha.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Ne.
Yeah.
So manjambela kuthina nomboro 1 mphethe video Vikianto. Wena ekuseni ubonene mphethe mawuza yithi lapha.
Angibonanga next.
Mara wayo ngihlala ungaboni next ekuseni. Oyizaza.
Baba yethu. Angibonanga fokol. And yonke into engiyibonile was not interesting enough ngoba manje. What was interesting in my head is what we're going to talk about Vandag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vandag, I'm not here to talk. I'm not Vandag to Mamela.
Yeah, sizomamela wena.
I say.
Ilanga lapho.
So something interesting.
Yeah.
No, represent Chayaka.
Hey,
Yeah.
wangipolota.
Yeah, usinyaka
I said to sit in the summit. So, when the first time you summit, you say, you know, that time.
Wayezo
Dr. Santa told the first time in that there's nothing national libala. But that's really cash.
So
Yeah.
okay. Tsilo wena ubona next mina ngibone something tragical njengoba namathiba.
Yeah.
Abantu bayathukana la ngaphandle ingitshela ithekeni out but izitshela le out ukuthi wena uthi you are not many now. Awusebenzi. Uzongitshela intanga zakho zingaphandle ziyasebenza. Wena ukululana bangumsilo.
Ngoba ama-truck emali yami.
Ugcoka ama-trunk emali yami. Yonke into ikhiphe ipika ngaphandle utshela umphakathi. Nje Grootman enithini ngalento leyo.
Yeah, I lelo njalo. But it's the basic reality. Yabona manje i-system yenye yabo. The system now was designed. Jamungakhohlwa uyakhupha run up by plan for 666 years as slash back. Utak, you know, we are target. Showing is straight. That is why they're empowering his woman so that he's weak at home. You can't evolve if your man makes more money than if your woman makes more money than you. If your woman is buying bread, if your woman is buying God, makes it difficult for you to be out there and actually put you in a special job. That's why the drug pandemic, the job,
Yeah.
like isn't this ganje? Namabo vele. Directed vele for utaki for young black stars as ganje mawubona ukuthi lenjale mangathi yaplowa is affair. Alenja melisi khawat.
That living mina ngabe iku Hollywood.
Yeah.
Exactly the point.
And phela ngabo laba yini laba bagabantu ama-character mpela.
Yeah.
Una 42 lo muntu but if you can put him on scene,
Yeah.
angashaya isini yomntana. Perfect.
Yeah. Perfect.
Most gifted at
Yes.
Yabo.
So when what we take about lento engirezile. Nalento izwile hele sensation.
Lali ipolice nepression.
Yeah, then iyethi sithi ngithi yomuntu omnyama.
Yeah.
Akusinte grand thina abantu abamnyama sihlashisa sisodwa. Lekubheka ngisipane nosinyaka but ngithi usinyaka uzongivusa. But yena end up like ayenza whatever ayenzayo yabona.
Yeah.
Khona manje ngasiphinda ngasipana noChico. Yabona Chico Thwala.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Chico Thwala nakhona ngibona nga anything but anginceda ngayo yabona.
Yeah.
Ngibona ngathi ungipresela phansi.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah.
Mina lapha engazange nane grocery endladleni. Like ngibuy grocery like for my family yabona.
Yeah.
Into esifana lezo. So angikaboni umehluko so ngidinga usizo.
Mfana nami yini into ibulale impression yakho. I mean, that into encanywayo. Kistila kwazi uact. Usinyaka noChico they not the world. Akusi mawubheka TV ubheka wonke umuntu ababona TV. Abafakwanga usinyaka noChico.
Yeah, before ngosinyaka noChico.
Baningi babo yabo baflopile lana mara they kept going until bathola lento abayifuna. Wena yini lekhawatha umoya to an extent ukuthi manje uzinikele to a point ukuthi ubone kathi check ngiyeke ku-audition ngcono mina ngiyo-recycle.
Like besides no recycle, like that ukuthi banginokile yabo.
Yeah.
Ngitho esifathi bona yibo abazinyo babodwa ngathi mina ngiyazi vele ku-industry yoku-actor angazi next. Like ngoku-actor ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ama-terms and condition wakho.
Yeah, the info.
Yeah. So mina umuntu vele like inhliziyo yami incane. Whenever anything encounter film like eish asabona isidingo phambili ukuthi like sizongisebenzela ngoba ngibona abafana bonke lapha. Ngibona ukuthi amanokari bonke laba.
Amanok i-crew. Mara before sijampela to the Scar. Angisho iScar lento okubuza ngithi iScar. Into engifuna ukuyazi, tell us about your late 20s. Your life in primary, your life in high school. That time usasenabazali. Sitshele ngawe mfethu.
Yeah.
Before sojampela abo Chico Thwala laba bakukhawathi. Mental. Asazi wena igama lakho. Siyabonga Jiyani like Thokozani Jiyani. Tshele ngawe before actor. Uyintwana enjani? Bona amaphupho kanjani? Nami expect yakho.
Bengintwana egrand like benginamaphupho ukuthi like mangicela isigela like ngifuna ukuba like manager or teacher or something ngitho. Ended up like ukuthi vele ngikhula grand intwana sekasi senza amakhathi sidlala amatopo and stuff ngitho. Kulishe Chris alarm like ukumuntu uthanda ukuzele gange nozikhela isipina umrokho. Mina ngikhula umrokho inyama like angijela angiyazi nyama ukhulisa umrokho umaqhiza wami ukhulisa. Ngitho ngikhula like vele hlathi ngenza ibhana hlathi imbuzi and stuff nanke lami like sasekhona. Ngitho like family lami like sasekhona yangikhawatha. Njengoba kuzobola i-Tuesday olelami phela nawo ama-tunes. Olelami nalo thola ama-tunes ngithola mina Thokozani nathola umthokozisi. Ngitho njengoba kuzobola i-Tuesday olelami thulile indaba zama-poison yasazi ukuthi poison ubani. Balibhala isipinashi angazi sase-Pick n Pay. And then angazi ubani upoison olethi le-Tuesday lami kanti lizogawula nengcosi olelami ingcosi olelami diaspora. Impendulo. Abhora like baphuma idumbu ezithumisha kuziwa. Namanje akakazi ukuthi ubani wenza leyo setup le into engikhawathayo.
Azange kwaba ne-investigation for
Like yangithola program.
yaphelele emoyeni.
Indaba yenini le?
Indaba nini? Like ngasho like years back.
Somdala ngiya-understand.
Like
42.
Ngaliqala alibone nje.
Ngiyaqala
alibone ka.
na 42.
Aliqala alibone.
So mfethu thathi fake ku-life yakho yobu-teenager mfethu izozokwenza ukuthi serious. As-anentisa abantu yabona. Ngoba ngathi mothi nge-height yakho bowujola khona udlala ibhola thina bethanda ibhola. You're into acting vele like ngifuna ukukwazi.
Just mina sifuna time around. So each year like I'm really cool.
Akunangcono.
Like ngithanda mina bengisithandela ama-game ngiyangithola. And stuff nethi besidlala ekasi. Into esibhanje sisithunile namanje.
Ethi uqale kanjani? Ngene uqale vaku ukuthi
Nosinyaka, ngicala nosinyaka.
uqale ngosinyaka.
Umnitha kanjani?
After usinyaka mawuzotothi kuyenza imrutotosi.
Umrutu watho umrutu.
Usinyaka ngimithathu kuJamani, kwenye athi uJamani eshiselayo ikari. Yabo. Olanda. Ngitho ngimbona la abantu bashisela ikari.
Ushisela igolf.
Into positive.
Akotola.
Nasedadini. Ngizobona usinyaka la. Then ngamgijimela ngayo kuwe then ngazirimela ngitho. Njengentwana bengakabhemi like lezinto ngiyangithola. Those substances. Sengizibhema manje.
So wathini ngosinyaka wathini wampitha wathini?
Ukuthi like angifeature like ngithola.
Akufeature ngomculo or
ngithe umculo but yena wabona ukuthi ngoba like uChico kwamthatha bayenza izitotosi. Naye wabona ukuthi dayile nge-acting yadlisa ngithola. Naye washaya ngithi ushaya futhi. Manje wazongilanda ede angilanda ngithi ushaya futhi bahasa. Ungana script akuna script phela la. Angitshela ukuthi shaya full paint. Umfazi wakhe like ngishitela mina like usonta naye isontana liwani. Like mina kumele ngimthole inyanga ezomnceda ukuthi umfazi wakhe like angasamtshiteli ammamele.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola. Yeah. Then mina ngamtholela inyanga ke-around igazi.
Yeah.
So,
So how was life in Pete that time? You're an actor, abazali baphode uyithi abazali bakho.
yeah.
Okay, you're an actor kla nomagogo.
Ngithanda umagogo noma-twins olelami
Twins, oh,
ne-uncle lami.
yeah.
Yabo, kuqala kwabhola i-uncle lami futhi belincane igawule belithanda ukuba umuntu itswayo igawule itswayo. Dlala netswayo nje uma afake ihembe thela itswayo ngiyakutshela
Israel mhlanga phana.
itswayo ya so wayewala mkhawathi yabo.
Yena kabulawa ngashukela.
Hayi
Itswayo.
hayi itswayo like bekagawule itswayo elibhaye like ngithola ngale ndlela ukuthi ilimi lakhe like lisemdumbeni avaye ungushi yabhola ngithola
Simon,
Yeah.
ngithola mina lami elinye labhola siye like elizalwa i-twins i-twins le olelami like ama-twins
oh, only lapho linama-twins, lizala ama-twins
Olelami.
bethu. Kube
ama-twins
wena no-bra.
olelami line-twins lalo Joyce.
Yeah.
olelami uJerisa athola ama-twins mina Thokoza nomthokozisi
Yeah.
ya
So wabona last born then noma ulingathi born bese akhula
wabhola amagriza nayabhola
ngakriza born.
ngathi uthi uyazi
Cool.
ya
So
old-asia
ngathi ndini kusele baba.
selesister lami
Yena-
ligrot
Lendala nayo.
ligrot first born olelami
Okay.
then i-second born yabhola mara beseyithrowile nonhlanhla yabholela la emshadweni nakaMpobola beseyishadile wayithweli
Wait.
two angazi throat yenzakalani ngithi kangazi katanga cancer sister lami
Yeah.
ushawa i-throat njeni waba nje wagaspa nje waba umuntu orani nethi kanjani ngithola
Yeah.
then sekusele sister lami throat naye sister engizemva kwalo ayayo elestring
Yeah.
ansi 6 months wami
Oh,
Esther nonhlanhla ayaya uRuth
Ruth, no Ruth.
ya
Kamala.
bese kuza Thokoza ngithokozisa bese kuza ilasbon bebusi Margaret
Yeah. So ngasikhathi sami mina into ngifuna ukuyazithilo ne. Ngasikhathi aphile nabo nyaka nabo Thiko Thwala. Bekunjani mfethu imbe sebabhiliva ukuthi umntwana ethi
sebakholelwa kuthiwa like only to find out ukuthi like abosinyaka azwana nekhabishi ledladlini ya sinyaka like akangihafanga so like umkhawathi fucked up namanje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani lo bhizi ngaleli alamanye lokhu nje lama-video lawa avela kuma-TikTok lawa we-full page
Hayi futhi akithi sifuna umuntu angayithatha njengoba ngiyazincanyela mina ngithi hayi ngiyancanyela ile bese ngiyayithatha ngiposte then ngifila phela ngifake ku TikTok banokufaka yizo ama-TikTok yabona
sisipane hard
yeah
bese umuntu avele nje ngithumnise sathelele
correct into leyo manje njalo ngiyena ngithi benishaya freestyle lapho manje kule movie nosinyaka
yeah
azange nangena ku any publishing registration
like besisipana ne-universal studio
Oh, benisipa
Alright.
universal.
before distribution yomovie uye khona i-indemnity fume uyisayinile
ne bekade ngisayine i-contract but ngamcela ukuthi angayi i-contract niyigeleza angayi nje 24 hours hala afuna ngisayine i-contract like then saqala ukucabana lani sinyaka
because yabona
because
kahle
bengeke ngisayine
mawungena contract
ngisayine into ngazi ukuthi ngisayina like ibhayisidla zasedladla you understand
Yeah.
vele kumele uyithathe vele i-contract
Yeah,
atheni
hala
lawyer ayibheka
then nami ngahalo ukusayina yini then sacabana kanjani
So
manje inkinga yazi ukuthini wena ntwana yami the material has been put out
yeah.
was released and wena no sasayina anything
yeah
so for any distribution now wena you can't say anything noma singakhulumela in terms of rights and mfana izodonsa because awusayinanga anything but it's still
mina
work
ngisayine into enga-understand
Phela khumbula ne-background Thilo. Umntwana ubuye Soweto. Abazali bashonile. Ugogo mfethu like untwana mfethu u-desperate. So noma ungathi nayi ini uzoyithatha because ufuna ukuthatha something endlini. So basically bathatha i-weakness yakhe bayisebenzisa against yena.
mina
yeah
And bengasaseyintwana usinyaka mdala. Bekumele ngathi
umsinyaka ya
bekumele ngathi ube hotman.
the production beyakasinika was actually under Uchiko right?
sinyaka like katanga na production ulanda ezinye abazidlala eBramfontein imedia nyana yelintwana zizishuthela nje njengabo
Intwana.
Ariana
Yeah.
Okay, le ntwana bezi-registered ubuka iy'ntwana nje ezinama-camera.
Imile ila ePetrolfontein.
Oh, it's a media house.
Yeah,
Okay.
Manje
okay.
Chico uyazenzela nale ile STMC silothola movie company.
Okay. Yeah, that's
After
under
ukulo
Chico.
sibana
So
ngama-company.
kusho ukuthi kahle kahle no. Umuntu omele arevile ukuthi indaba ye-publishing yakho for replay uChico.
I can
Kumele
see.
uye kuChico. Khulunywe ngoChico ngendaba yokuthi okay, since lo muntu on every product that you released, he's got content. Uye wabhala on the script as he is one of the script writers.
Yeah.
But again, any residual contract now, singayenza kanjani because now you managed to release the material without actually rightfully. So kusho ukuthi everything here yakhishwa under the distribution written as produced by Chico Twala, written by Chico Twala. Chances are. So kumele ube ne-proof before manje kulanda ukuChico ukuthi baba
i-proof
kodwa yona vele singakulanda kumnandi nje amanje
I-proof
because
ikhona,
the act is there. Sengisho ukuthi mase siyobheka kuma-production decision ukuthi were you commented da bakufakile la ukuthi uyenzeni as a script writer, are you there?
abamfaka yazi
Babhale written by Chico Twala, produced by Chico Twala,
bayenzela
executive
Labantu
producer.
bayazi into abayenzayo.
bamshaye ngemva kwendlebe.
Hayi ngiyayibamba,
Yeah,
it's
because of
simple into engishoyo ngithi
lack of knowledge.
bo Chico Twala Productions bathathe yonke into. The production residuals ithathe yibo because when awusayinanga any indemnity esho ukuthi when you are the script writer, so azange bakcredit under script writing,
Yes.
but you had words, you had dialogue.
Into engizele
into ezele ukuthi azongitshela.
So
Qhubeka mkhozi wami.
ukuthi ngithole usizo ngithola ngisizeke ngikwazi ukuba phambili because
Mina like lo muntu lo asimeke kakhulu lo muntu kunezinto ezibhalo kala skip.
yeah.
Uze sizofika kule yapho kumele silande bani. Kodwa isitori awakasiba mina ngiyamuzwa lo muntu. Lo muntu lo bamshaya emva kwendlebe like impethu umuntu o desperate ofuna amanzi
Yeah, sure.
noma
Naye
noma wachamela uzowaphuza.
hayi var bara kusokuqala dala banokho labantu laba.
So into engifuna ukuyazi nayo
Just don't have to uphumule njalo.
yeah sizofika le end goal sisathe yini. So wena mkhozi wami into engifuna ukuyizwa ile sesemaphakathi
Yeah.
usifana nawe ubani konje because uChico no nesinyanga
Yeah.
akubhadala nangama CD.
Hey, ama-box wala movie lesishayile futhi.
Ubekadaya ukuthi I'm just by say.
Yangithola.
Welcome back
Yeah.
to Castle Vuyini wafethu. Besayobona ukuthi kwenzakalani ema-talk shop lapha yathi siyisigazi yabo.
Yeah.
So because wami njengoba usakhe vele yabo.
Yeah.
Asiyiqhubekise besayiqhubekise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Njengoba ngitshela ukuthi like njengoba ngisifana nosinyaka like usinyaka uyangitshela ukuthi like senza i-full page. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Yaseshaya ukuthi usinyaka kathi aqeda ukusifana noSipho bayenza umbutho.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, mina ngazi next ngazi ngimide like ngithola pro.
Yeah.
Bengingafrustani for call but ngamagama like I've got like ne-talent.
Yeah.
But hayi ukuthi like nganyala ngami manje ukuthi abantu badlale ngami bangize like
Yeah.
bangenza istopho yabo.
Cheers to that. Siyahala ngathi.
Ngiyasala
Siyahala ngathi.
sala ngathi bafethu ukuthi nizosebenzisa nisithathe nisebenzise i-tissue then nisilahle
Hashtag.
recycling bins like that's why sizihambela ama-dustbins sitobhele ama-dustbins siphandela like emphandweni akekho umuntu uzokunoka ngoba eyakho le nto
Yeah.
udobhele yona udobhele amathini or udobheleni eyakho
Yeah.
uzobona ukuthi udicida wenzani ngayo unlike siphatha uChico besazivalele kwakhe angasafuni uphume like ngiyayithenzisa la yangithola then mina bengabhemi like ama-drugs ngicala ukubhema ama-drugs ngalincusathi
Uqala ubheka ama-drugs ngizikhathi.
abothwala labo madukulu
Mangalo.
osikamgunda nale ulonga
Long, yeah.
bengazi next ngama-cat and stuff bengicala ukubhema nazo le ntwana lezi ngazizwa ngathi ngimbidla kanti kuphi angazi uri setup kaChico setup yami but ngicala ukubhema ama-drugs nantwana zakaChico
Bona ngaki.
benginakasho bengina 31 somewhere there
Oh, uqala ama-drugs so
we songikhodwa
uqale ngani?
ngiqale ngekhethi. Besibhema ikhethi intwana.
Why bembeni ikhethi? Benibhemelani ikhethi?
Bona babhema yona mina then ngaphapha then nami ngasnifa kanti hey
Yesifaka.
senyasifaka enkingeni. Njoba ngihooked namanje.
So you actually have 4 movies. Yeah.
No Chico, yeah.
Chico.
Yeah, maybe you can say 4 or 5. No Chico. But kaya ngimpuha kanjani no. But nasho namanje usathola something ngala mamuvi. Sazi ubhayela jazi senthi.
Iva.
Mara yini inkinga kaDaki like yini?
Uva ngirange. Yeah,
Like
iva.
mara ukushare abafethu kwakuyini? Nihlula ukushare.
Yeah, you need to look.
Ay share
Mara Daki kama wanya uhlula ukushare. Uhlula ukuthelela umntana kini amanzi.
Ukushare ngiyakubona. You can't just uhamba ushare na wonke umuntu nje ubonayo. But sikhuluma ngomuntu okwenza ukuthi ube mnandi. Umuntu osesifanele. Ikhayelakhe. Akumelanga uyicele leyo mali. Imali yakho. You deserve it yakho. Imenza yena abe mnandi nefamily yakhe and then he forgets about you and does nothing about it. Nakhona lapho ukukho. Even legends nanya leya khotman respect but that's not the way to treat people. Akwenza ka.
Kize mkhulu kujima maroto like ngithola kwa. Ngala ngawubhala mkhulu ngawubhala from Spanish senthi. Ngithola. Angibhala ngoChico ngibhala ngosinya. Ngithola. Mara mno ukhathele ngidinga usizo bafethu. Unincede. Uncedeni bafethu ukuthi khona namazenke nyana khona ukukhuluthela amaplanga nyana ngithola.
Yeah.
Ngenza umkhukho like okay room zosikalezela zosenzela. Yeah.
Yeah.
Abona ukuthi aboChico like bathathele FM bangibisela befana ube bangitrigele emuva. Bangise phambili.
Yes. Like saga maybe.
Yeah.
In a type of way.
Angathendanga ngefuna likaSinyaka.
Athendanga into.
Hayi.
Ufila kanjani ukuthi yakubholeni?
Hayi like angifilanga nepain ngoba ngazi ukuthi ubholeleni like I don't know from like ukuthi yini lempolisile kangaka because mina naye besesihlukene. uChico instead uthole ubize ama-journalist lakawo se-Sunday World azongi-interviewa rather than ukuthi ngiqindezele uSinyaka. Only to find out ukuthi uSinyaka noChico labantu bashayisana bayazi into abayenzayo. Ngithola like inkomo ebholeni ongalazi ibhola ulazi. Laba balaziyo bazolidlala kamnandi wena like fana ukuthi you are wasting your time lokugijimisana nebhola emuva mara ulazi. Yabo?
Yeah. So manje mase cala ukutransact ema-drugsini from care uyi-afforda like ubavele nithengele leyo nto leyo because bongafoli
Because bongafoli imali bongithola.
Ozazi le nto uthola iyo bebamba ikhadi ethemalayo uChico. uChico ya besi ngithola yeah like
So uthola yena bekakucabangela ukuthi untwana naye konje uyageza. Athi kumele abe nama-toiletries. Untwana naye uyagcoka.
yeah
Uthola impahla njengoba
lantwana out
le ntwana bekubheke.
thola ya grand plan ya like
Okay,
thatha khona kubuza manje ngithola cosmetic kumele ngize ngimkhumbuze ukuthi angaya imali cosmetic. Ngithathe nje lapha kwakho uyongifuna nje lapha kwakhe. Like bengana ngijabule ngisengatshela uthola after isikhathi mina sengifuna uvanye ikasi lami.
Yeah.
Then ngavaka mampela. Ngithola because like I was fucked up because ngishama move up but angitholi foko ngithola.
Yeah.
Imali ngithola ile yayo ngayo ngitama ka tutawanyana yabo. Ukuthi ngispend but angikhuluma ukuthi ngibele emuva la ngisuka khona. La ngibashiye khona basokole nje.
Yeah.
Ngwazi nobabhayela gawulu and stuff. Yeah. Ngale kaChico ngingaliswa ile nto le.
Yeah.
Namanje ya. Angithanda ukuvalelo like ngicontain ngivalelo without ngithola umphefumulo.
Yini
Yeah.
bekumthetho wala vele. Ukuthi vele wonke umuntu nje under osigned as yena as an artist nama-actor wakhe bayavalelwa la vele and your life is controlled ngaleyo hlelo.
Abanye bebava uvesi baya la enokuleka njengabo-Chirwale and stuff and ngithola mina bengincane ezazinto ayikho indawo ezincane nje njengasezazini. Ngise-Dubai like ngizogaya stress. Ngicane ezazini mina program.
Sure, bruh.
Ngicane
There's
ikasi lami.
no place like home.
Yeah.
Ngicane ikasi lami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Chazwa ukuthi mhlawumbe seDubai or kuseHollywood or kuphi mina ngincane kaSlam.
Sure.
yeah,
Yeah. I was born in that hole and I will die in that hole.
sure. So after smoking okay, wajampela to what?
To crystal.
So nobani when jumping to crystal, but so asahambile lapha.
Yeah, bese like ngisekasi ngitho khona inkodman lethi belibhayisa lezinto lezi yabo. Ngathola ni outcome bathu banothando. Bazwana uthamsana mina. Bazwana mntana sejajeni kusi. Yiwa abalengcosi leyo balumpendulo.
Yeah.
Yeyabhola mawule mawuzogawula naye.
Oh.
Ngithola.
Yeah.
Le ndawo ike yaphuma nakuJoseph yena. Ngithola bagcina bathi yasejajeni useshe ipoison mawuthi ngasiyile. By
frame.
Yeah, by frame. Ngithola. By frame like uma thitho le
Kwani bekaframe le ntwana.
ile ngcosi yesitelam isitelam istru aya umtshana bathu banovusa umuzi umzukulu oqala
Uye ke waziyo kahle kahle ngingaba sephosini.
uvusa
Allegedly so.
Yeah.
so namanje nje like
Okay.
nabantu noma bamezala ezajeni like mabaphakela ke badawutha nokawo
Yeah.
futhi uyilanto yathunakala poisoning and stuff
Yeah.
yeah yangikhawatha like fucked up
So
into yangenza umbheme ke like
yeah.
yeah
So iCrystal iqala kanjani? Ukuthi ngiyayiqala.
ngicala nje bese ngicala ubhema nalentwana lezi abothwala kid ezakachi
Okay, should nithi cat nithi Crystal.
hayi crystal obviously litholakala le khasi i-cat obviously angibhema nalentwana lezi semafika le khasi amanye amakhoti manasekhasi akukhula like babhema crystal ngebhodo crystal mina mafika le khasi bengisniff
Yo.
yabo ungazi angazibhoda angazi next bhodo lokubhema
Sniffer yona. Yo.
ngacala ke ngazana nebhodo kunekhoti manasihlala ikhasi lami mara selabhoda manje langi-introduce kubhodo njengoba sekucala njengoba sekubhenywa ke lentwana ezibhama sesibhema ke njengoba sekubhenywa ke manje yangithola
Yeah.
sazi ukuthi sibhemela ngasabhema but
And it's even that you get work.
yeah ngithola
And how many years them?
so like I can see ukuthi nami khona ngikutshela kunyaka ngibhemele kamnezi because but age iminyaka ebhala ngibhema kakhulu
Yeah.
ngithola
So just unwinded club. Like tell us more about your life. If you wanna know your story, yabo.
yeah
As a someone bekintwana encane active sikotwala
Yeah.
sibone kasi yo lentwana lezi somewhere in life.
yeah
Then you went into drugs. Now my enemies wakho aqala ukusokoma yajabula manje. Wena uqala uba depressed. Wena uqala ufila ngathi busy empilweni. How was mfethu njani impilo yakho before ulala mfethu? Uyacabanga like kunjani ukuba wo? Because kunabanye abantu abakhalela ukuba yithi mara sanazi ukuthi sitheleni. Kunjani ukuba wo?
akuba yini like yeah ngathi ku-grand kuba yini but at the same time ngizizwa like yeah like kuba yini like from like mina I'm-happy kuba yini like from yangithola unlike yabo Shiko nabo Sinyaka babona i-fortune kithi thina impilo yethu singaziboni sibakwazi ukubona impilo yethu ngalokhu ebonda mina ngingakayiboni impilo yami ukuthi like kangakanani yangithola like mara mina ngikhule ngintwana eGrand ngikhule eGrand lifestyle nami ngikhule wami namahotman wami yangithola
Life nje moshe kanje manje nje.
umusho kanje manje nje obviously after umagrisa wami ma-oledi wami and stuff njengoba sekusele thina ke manje sekuwumazibheka omunye yangithola
So how's that? God, Chilo wena ngisho futhi nakuwena.
Hayi.
Oh.
Ngikhothi kuye.
Oh, so you are 42 years
Yeah.
of age.
Yeah.
Yeah. People are 42 years of age. Bongacabanga ukuthi ngabe ulana mpilo.
ya bengazigcoba ukuthi ngabe ngidla ngempilo ngithola ya
I affect that mentally ukuthi ulana ngempilo.
yangafekta but ngifela ngaphakathi ngibona nje
Talk to us.
Yeah.
Talk to us. There are people who are facing such things.
Same thing as
Yeah,
well.
but they don't find comfort. You
Sure.
understand?
Ukuthi manje ngikickstarter kanjani?
Yeah.
Ngiqala ngithini?
See,
Ngizocala ngithini?
ya
What keeps you going, dog?
like obviously ukusihelezela ngiphila ngokuheleza ngithola from train ngendlela egreen egasi ngithola ngishaya ingadi egasi ngithola yeah ngiyaheleza from there
Nare ngiyakufakela i-pressure.
hayi like ngiyasihelezela
Ngoba
egasi
manje bathe ikasi siningi niyajile bathi
ngajula vele bayeza
yizo into ekufakile i-pressure ukuthi ube depressed.
Yeah, into esifuna ukuyazi.
yeah labanye makujote like esan
Rima,
like ngifila
kasinivukile.
ngifila phansi from like
Khuluma naye.
ngifila phansi abosinyaka into abayithunile like abosinyaka bathi be yeah nabo chiko
Yeah, yeah.
namanje chiko sakho sasekhona but uke weza uzongilanda like ubona ukuthi like bese ngifucked up ngendlela lokuthi like senenhliziyo encane ngimtshela amasimo avale exactly because I understand ukuthi like yini lento ayithuna bakrenda abantu barich
Mina
exactly nabona ukuthi like sana ngithola
Lala namagundwane.
ke since ngibona ukuthi okay kahle kahle you still holding on to that thing yabo chiko bakwenze yona and lo muntu
Yeah.
usaphila usasikhona kahle kahle bobona ngathi isolution ukuthi vele kuyele ulungisa izinto lo chiko ngendlela ukuthi akubhadale rightfully what is owed to you now that you phela manje yabona if uthethe into emnandi ukuthi manje you are there yabo
ngifuna ukubhadala
yabona so akusinto angayiphiki or akusinto kanjani
akusinto angayifike
Yeah, ayifike.
uyazi sipani anto saspana naku in Mzansi Magic asan contract and stuff na zifana lezo
and when are those contracts akukho la wena usayine khona bekusayina yena all the time
yeah yena ngitshena utsibinke ngathi uwazwa
so yonke into iwele ngakuye
yeah
Kahle umsebenzi.
so ngabona ukuthi manje writing le
As a parent.
kahle kahle the best way to go forward legally bana kufuneka manje kube ne attorney lawyer like some of the ones we know wabona nabo spec you've got connects with these attorney kufuneka ama connects enjalo uvaye ne lawyer njaya ayithona
Ngeza ukwazi ukukhuluma naye ukubonisana naye. Communication nyana, umtshela situation yakho. Uthola ukuthi yena akazi ukuthi kuyiphi situation.
awazi kahle like uvese nawuzovunya naye uzong
kwazi kahle for the fact ukuthi ama contract yena khona la ish contract yathi ukuthi what is isipani sakho yini
yeah
ungasayina wena i-contract into uthi you-produce ongaproducanga isigroup uthi you produce ayiyenzwa kanjalo mawenza kanjalo usuke wazi into oyithunayo so
so
So yeah.
it's telling like there's no other way to put it njayami lento le it's a legal matter where you've got money on it when all you got to do is just sue
asebelani like indaba kachiko
Yeah, nami ngifuna
Two, baba.
ukufuna indaba yakho.
like
Yeah, ungela wena.
Yeah.
okay njaya usizo linjani
bazong like angazi luzovela
okay usokhuluma ngendaba yokuthi udinga i-counseling udinga i-counseling
hayi angidingi counseling because like ngidinga usizo like ukuthi like the career yami like uthole someone yeah
sure
and stuff.
abani into ebengiya kuyo ukuthi uyane passion yakho yi-acting lasabe ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ukuze uyekele i-acting ungayi-audition phela mfana everywhere ku-acting it's all about auditions uyangithola noma ungaba i-big star waba yini as long as kune-role edlalwa i-director you must come there and audition so kumele ube under i-agency abogay knows ibhaya you must just be registered under an agency and then i-agent yiyo ehlala i-contact whenever kunama-role ukuthi ebaba i-generations ifuna ini umvango all of those lama-shows lawo wabonayo ukuthi hayi ukuthi sidinga ama-extra or sidinga i-role action as long as under i-agent yona izokutshela ukuthi kune-audition endaweni so
And
uya la wena you go to find roles that's the only way uzokwazi ukungena because akufakwana ku-acting noma ngathi siyakubhekela njayami kumele uncane i-director you need to fit i-character
mara umntwana yamuzwa ukuthi athi ngiyayizwa advice yakhe. But before sithatha umntwana simisa kuma-agents.
mele wena eyakho lo chiko ayikaphela ngithi
lahlala khona.
angithi nawe kumele ube mnandi so imali yakho yonke ikula ma-move la
Siyayibona le.
mele ubusho yiphi
Izwa umntwana amuzwa umntwana ku-situation into emenza ukuthi abuyele emuva.
amanye
No, umntwana ulala namagundwane. Unama-movie ayi-4 but akatholi next. Ushonelwe. Kube kune-food poisoning. Umntwana udemotivated.
Sure.
So before nizomthatha nimfake kuma-agents, lungisani umntwana.
Qala.
Yekelani ukujump step bantu abamnyama.
Yeah.
Start ngama-roots. Angikuthi sihlahla sezikhulile sicelebrate.
Yeah.
Ongasibonanga basitshala. So we need to hear ama-pain kantwana
Yeah.
ukuze abantu ababukele bazokwazi ukuthoba untwana
Ngendlela egrand,
ngendlela
yeah.
egrand. Then siyamthatha thina isi-information
Yeah.
siyemisa
Very clear.
kuma-agencies. So let's not skip the process.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking
Kumele kube
you,
cheap.
what's inside here?
Yeah.
Ukuze abantu basekhaya they can relate and say, no, siyamuzwa umntwana uyakhala and siyasifila isikhalo sakhe. Thina sicela uku-assista ngento eso naso naso. Before sizothi uChico this, asizwe umntwana.
Yeah.
Uba khambani.
Like esiyisho ukuthi udinga usizo. Anyone onganginceda like ngitho angilekanga anyone una something that anginceda like ukuthi ngilungise khona la. Angisho ukuthi like ngiyadimanda like ngicela usizo because now uSipho like yabona ukuthi indaba yakho ikhuluma. Ngitho.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngoba wena uringa ngehonti. Itariyana ukubuza ngawe. Ngikhona ngehonti.
Because bekune video.
Uthi wena personally ngaphakathi right now yini le weluphi usizo wena ubona ukuthi uyalidinga. Phela mawugrand uzokwazi ukuzipeshela ihonti uzokwazi ukuzakhela iroom awudingeli ukwenza. Uyinja njayami. Kumele nje uzimele wena uzimele iground lakho take over. Wabona wena mawumnandi yonke into izoba mnandi. Awudingi usizo lomuntu ukuthi wena ube mnandi.
Mina ngicela ngifamily yami no.
Yeah.
I think ngithanda nje ifamily yami.
Yeah.
Kahle awuboni ngathi maybe indaba yokuthi in drugs yenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi focus kule into ama issues adile nawe ukuze ukwazi ukuthi unakekele umndeni wakho ile ndaba ukuthi uyankala.
Ngiyamazanga manje ngabhema ama-drugs. Ngalubhema ama-drugs mangisipana ngishipo. Ngisasipana nosinyaka bengabhema ama-drugs.
So
let's
okay.
explain.
Talking about ama-drugs there. I once saw a video yakho.
Yeah.
Nebathi Jonty Petri emoto.
Cabanga ibhethile emoto.
Bekusuke
Yabona
Okokuqala angikwazi ukuvula ibhonet emoto. Okokuqala angikwazi nokudrive. Okwesi-2 ibhethile lasini. Ne? Lezentwana lezentwana ngiyazonda from back.
Awa.
Into azithi improve nje ngisiphusha ngazi namagama azo nje. But ngiyazazi mangosikhoma. Ngizana profile rate. Nje. Like it's unlike me. Mina ngihambi ngena ama-chat nabantu ntonke ngihlala ya. Ngihlelezela green. Ukuthi abathi background lawo ukuthi ngikhuluma nabo ma-out yabo. Benza into ezibhedayo babamba inkunzi and stuff ya. I can't say abo bani but nabo bahereza mabasho. But ekasi manje yabona sebayishubisa ekasi manje akusekho grand abasekho safe
batshontsha impompi batshontsha impahla elayinini
akusekho safe lakhona intwana encane blind simphiwe.
Yeah.
Bayibizwa ngobullet.
Yeah.
Hlala amageza ledlali o-driver e-Faraday iteksi yase-Faraday avuka ekuseni uthi etoilet umntwana angena yashaya ifonela umageza yashaya newallet.
Yo.
Ngithola mina akaze ngangena awu umntwana le ngayenza into umntwana ethini umntwana usesanithi uthi indaba zamaparoli and stuff and atshelwa yilezi esithatha enisidona sedladleni abomakhelwane bami bathe ukuthi abomakhelwane bami ngithola
Right.
yeah like ama-out yasenhlani isidona sedladleni yiyo ama-out like agawa information e-blind like angazi ngabona useshi like avani negenge ebhaya or mina ngivani negenge ebhaya angenzi kanjalo ya ngitho.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
ama-out ane-plug ukuthi angabamba inkunzi bayenze mina nginaso ususpend leso.
Yeah.
I don't do angiyezi into le njengoba ngisho ngisikhathazela grand
Yeah.
ama-out asekasi out amafemi ilungisa ama-BM nayo angithola na-out amapholi umntana sekasi ulimpho yabona abantu abaphila nabo ekasila
Yeah.
abakuphethe grand.
Manje umphakathi wakushaya ngendaba yebheki because that video yakhe bese
Azangisho umphakathi ngashayela izintwana.
kushaya mara uthiki dikuhlong ukuthi wasenzeni thina ke. Baba bathi kawufela kodwa idulu.
Like it's vast like from like izintwana zenze ngazonda i-proof like.
Oh.
Yeah, cause angazi ngashaya ikasila mina ngalendlela. Nazo sikaze sasiphatha ngalendlela abangiphatha ngazo zona ikasila. Angazo zangizonda zinjondela I don't know. Angithola but angizange atshontshe ibhithi izintwana. Namanje sikake zibini zokuqolisa. Ngithola. Cause azange atshontshe ibhithi yabo ukuthi ngishayela into engayazi.
Uthotshala ukuthi yabheka ngoba kusola.
Like angazi mhlawumbe like yeah like abanayo ilungelo lokwenza riding lena. Yangithola. Mhlambe ya. Yangithola.
Yeah. So but then ungathi umntwana like now ambitious ebukele le show lo currently or umama ofisa umntana wakhe ukuthi abe actor or actress. Like ungathini ngale industry wena ngokubona kwakho? Is it a good thing ukuthi yazi umntana join i-acting or xa kuyofuna umsebenzi usenze acting kube yonke?
Mntana afunde esikolweni ufunde geleze. Uze ngalento leyo uzoba igelezele and then uthengele amakhamera uzenzela ama-movie akho. That's it. Nami into ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyayishuna like indaba zobu-acting ukuthi ngisazoqhubeka ngabe ngi-actor like this. I don't trust anyone anymore. Yeah, like I swear.
Really?
Yeah, like mina mangathola amakhamera and stuff ngazenzela izinto. I know how to ukuthi act kuyenzwa kanjani. Stuff because ngikelezile njengoba
Oh, yes, yes, filming.
hayi nabo ngoba ngishutha nabo sinyaka.
Oh, strategy.
Yeah. Mntana zenzele uzufundele. Ungayibo Chico, ungayibo bani. Ngoba yabona kusisibrenda fast ama-legends yabhole like anokwabo Chico Twala. I-clever lase-South Africa. So mntana usifundele uzigelezele.
Get your own.
Uzenzele into yakho like ufuna
Get your own. Yeah, sure.
Uzenzele into yakho like yeah.
Get your own.
Mara mina ngifuna into engifuna ukuyibuza ne. Khona umathi babujiyani na 42 by the way bafethu. Ngeke ungibuze imibuzo una 42 seniyaki.
Yeah.
Why say the reason we don't have black excellence it's because once udakhe awekasivukeni kwangena ibillion ngifuna ukujikela wonke lo muntu lo ngizivalele. I understand ukuthi lento ekenzela ibillion ngakenzela 2 billion why so ivala?
Yeah.
Why as udakhe nalo mentality like why ningabe united uyayibona lento ingenzela ibillion futhi ukuthi ngangenzile 100 billion.
Yeah.
I just need to kumele ngifake abanye abantu.
Yangithola.
Wawudli khephi wanzi ukulawo shukela.
Kwamanje bashaya amakorokoro abantu bawaqosa amakorokoro abantu kubeni yiwo aqashe imali yakhe nasibhadala irent sithola ukugawula mara nawaqosha. Angazi sobona senzeni. Ngoba ubona nje ne-government badla bodwa labantu labo.
Yazi awuxotsho.
Baphele badla bodwa.
Yeah, badla bodwa like yeah. Dade ukuthi baqosha bodwa amakorokoro ukuthi avame akasabo hence thina singancanyana sabotata.
Sure.
Yabo sincanyana thina sabotata.
Ngave.
Dade ngicala la kwamele lakini ngiyakwazi like ukuzi-expressa ngezinto ebhale. Like anyone umntana okhulayo eSouth Africa sigelezele uzenzela into yakho. Ungafuni ukwenzelwa abanye abantu. Uthola uziphathe wena mina ngincane ukuphatha ngicela uziphathe.
Yeah.
Ngizihambele esitrateni ngingatshela umuntu ukuthi hamba ngale ndlela kanje ngenzani.
Get your own.
Get your own. Angithola.
Yeah, and understand the power of the internet bafethu.
Yeah.
B1 I understand the power of the internet.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
the power of
internet, like internally powerful platform.
And
You have the world access, net you.
Yeah, bafethu.
You can talk to him anywhere in the world now. Mafuna ukwazi anything. Ila. Don't be a dumb nigga with a smartphone. I don't know. Mara una 2 gigs worth of data in your pocket. That's some foolish don't.
So we're not in an intention.
Let's show like like the timing yakhe yanayo show.
Sure.
Mina ngisho like ziphathe wena.
Get your own. Yeah.
Uzule wena. Ungazula uRamaphosa uzule ubani ule wena. Uramaphosa ubheka ivenda yakubo na ubheka itasi la ubheke nabantu bakini ngasi.
Get your own.
What must you expect from when Bakian?
What must you expect?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. What must you expect to me? Like, I'm young and too up and anything is coming to expect. Expect like what you like. None about like rich one thing.
Yeah.
You believe nalo believe
No, enjoy.
yeah like abashiko like abahlala nemalawi nabantwana babo nami uzohlala nabantwana basezazi
Yeah.
into ngisikhabezela whatever bakhona abantu abazonceda but there's a guy ngiphilisele ukuthi anganceda ujini
Yeah,
masuka mina la uthi le awuthi anganceda like yathi ngifuna ukukhuluma naye anganceda
Okay.
kapati
Ukapatia ekapa. I reach out. Okay. Okay, so
indoda eferrari ebovu
wena ukuhlangana noJoey usho ukuthi uzokunceda
Yeah.
yilo uncedo oludingayo besides uJoey ayikho
Last number, yeah.
besides uJoey awudingi usizo with anything else
Last number.
next funa uJoey
Now to pose.
manje what if uJoey orlile nokuthi wathi wafana but you don't last week
Lesbini sobring already. Uchole benginala ke kufunakala le autotokushona ubani kodwa manugimba.
oh umuntu ombona
Yeah, ukhona la.
okay
Never ever say that.
hayi bengibuza ngithi orlile ngithi what if ngoba manje uthi usizo ngalithola kuye kuphela so mina ngitshela ukuthi umuntu dala ungamboni so angayi uJoey ke ufika uthi eJoey ngicela ungisize ngento ka
Umuntu khona yakujo awuthe khona.
manje kwalapha ukuthi umtshele ukuthi akusize ekhaya
Umuntu umtshela kanjani ngana ne smartphone. Umtshela nini ukuthi umuntu ongakhona unginceda uJoey.
so the clip lemele ifike kuJoey
okay must just
Umtshela ukuthi uJoey uzwakala 47 ngabo Gumba. Like ngimtshela into smart like ukuthi like ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna unyuke for no. Yeah. The guy ngibona ukuthi like angaba fit ukuthi anganceda.
yeah but then are you ready to quit like smoking mabangathi uJoey ngakunceda
but you need to be clean
Yeah.
already kuba clean
Yeah.
already uthatha
usho ukuthi masinga sithi theory help ngaya
manje masingacima ama camera sithi asambe yo change namhlanje
Yeah, manje. Nawucima ngamanje.
sho nje
I don't know, like usizo ladingakala bafana. Alekho umuntu ongadinga usizo.
yeah
Yeah, usizo ladingakala.
so nje excuse njengoba wena ana 42 ne
yeah
le ntwana zama 2000 zingaka and nokugcwele gangsterism Orlando Native Group uthi ngale take yakhe zomuntu ona 42 ongaka nentwana ziphakameni nini ziyaquka
Azinganye mina ngeke. Into lezi
yes ngiyacwa
ngeke. Ngijwayelo like ngijwayela mina.
yeah sure
Like most ngijwayela ukuthi jaje nasejaje noseshe. Ngitho into le endiyang ipene plaza ngisungumuntu leko
cwala istaya
gcwala istrat. Sezi ngisekasla. Angijwayezanga nalezo ntwana lezo angifuni ukuthi ngijwayele nakancane. Yeah, that's it.
stay there
that's it so okay wafethu majele ukhulumile so because wami ngingathanda ukuthi le show sibiza ikhathi emvukile yabo
Yeah.
wonke umuntu ophuma kule show
Kumele avuke.
yamvutsa yonke into zakhe
Yeah.
I like to see you unomfazi
Mfazi kwamanje akayamprepare mfazi ufuna imali ngithanda
ufuna imali
so akafuna umfazi manje
hayi
Ncosi
hayi ncosi le hayi nakhona noma ngafanga nancusa lonke ufuna imali mina bro
imali
uthini ngongibekela line
yazaje yini incusa zithu zamantombazana
sebatana babo
ya nazo incusa ngoba zithi babamkhulu kimi yabo
yeah
yeah sheshe
so wena noma ungafu unganancosi you don't care
I don't care but nangafathi singibhayidlatha and stuff yabo
yena manje afuna upolita
so
so manje ngiyampheka
but angithi ngizondi incusa ngizondi
so
yeah
bengishiye bengishana umusa sana umusa wami bafethu umusa wami bafethu
kwenzeka le
angazi ubani kumntu nje umntana le ncama drugs buka ncama drugs blind okay baze bathatha nenquzo zakhe bazisa kuma
child welfare
ezinye sehlala nomakoko leke eNatal lapho emakhona umntana umusa umntana ogreni
khawathi ithelele
but eish yabona
mthola nkazi umusa ngiyirelechi begangster la birelechi problem
leka bewageza nantwana uvusa uphoya uza after mina like ngithatha matric bona basageleza isikole ngithatha matric 2004 abudala ngolofu
ekudala uzibona
yeah but eish ngathola umntana le nqosumuza mina ngathola usizo but if akuthola ukuthi ngingasizeka like
wena uzomseka
eish
kanjani angithi thina siza yena
Yangbo.
sizosisa abantu
yeah mina
maka uzobona umusa mangabona ngawe sekushinthikile avele uzikula naye uzobona ukuthi hama nasho no this is possible wena uzokwazi ukuthi
ngithi mina noma ngashintsha like bheka sekapho nokhasiyakhe nomakhala nezinyawo zamakhala
yo
unstoppable umntana like yo bra
nigga.
Ngoba uke wafahla waye-Sun City, waqala ukufahla waye-Sun City umusi.
Uboshelwani?
Ngosi ufahlakele.
For boshe i-truck la agcwele izinkukhu la kumcashi. Which is, yeah,
It's been in years.
yeah. Then bathola ke then umcashi wamfahlakisa.
Yo, umusa hamba kanjalo.
Awukhipha izinto zazibhayise khona stuff. Uhamba kanjalo umusa wami.
Umusa wenkosi. So wena ukazi wafahlaka since.
Angazi amafahlawa.
Ya ukujika police station cha.
Ngike ngajika e-post station ngokuthi nezinye ingcozi nento namthabiso ehlala ekhasi lami ngayishabalala.
Man.
Ingcozi esigeza la e-Fort. Sathola lezo ngcozi lezo. Sasifaka ekhontini lami. Ingcozi nazithanda izinto obviously. Yanthola saba nazo lezo ngcozi. Yo kanti lezo ngcozi for amalanga abazali bazobasifuna.
Oh, yes.
Then mawulelo ngcozi wathola ukuthi ngihlaka babo wazilanda vanye egetse lemnyama. Wavayisa ingcozi wavayisa kuDoctor. UDoctor wathola ukuthi like ingcozi zine-penetration like esigile nazo.
Yo.
Savala na-television. Sayima ukuthi isele. Le ngcozi sasikhulumela zona zathi hayi azange basirete lithi sibaphile. Baphe-grand then zange baba ne-case basijinda kanjani.
So kahle kuthi bafethu pia wena ungathatha abantwana babantu nibe nama-chats nibe nama-conversations because kunama-outabhaya kuwa-behind bars because of umzali wakhe ufuna ukuprotect ukuthi umntana makathandi madoda kanti umntana akho uthanda amadoda no uthi akathandi madoda bamfostile bamrape
bangamthithi
manje umntana azange amameli ole like ukuthi lipressure lokuthi sibarepile ngosi yasho nena uthi hayi sibarepanga like ya sibe sibaphile sina ngothando lethu.
Lama olela athanda ukubhala ihlaza ngengcosi yabona ufuna ukuthi umntana mina uright ngathi parenting yakhe i-up to standard kanti
ngaze ngangishita ngaze
lakho
asidladleni kuyafahla useshe.
But then kuthi ngaqeda indaba zakamajiyane mfethu babjiyane amajiyane omama ne
angithi sewutholile ukuthi indaba yini isolution kaCleangiwa uzivunela uJoe.
uJoe
Mina ngithi akakwazi ukuya kuJoe asasekanje ngoba manje uJoe angeke aphilize kulento leyo fandikwana.
uJoe ufuna ungise-rehab.
Ngisathi ngiyala ukuthi asenze ukuthi uye rehab ukuthi mawubuya
sizoya kuChiko
siya kuJoe.
Ufuna ukuya kuJoe
And then
rehab yena.
uJoe ufuna kuJoe uJoe akise rehab into eshiyothile.
Okay. Ilink uJoe seniyikhulumile uJoe wathi kwentwana yami you must come clean mara bongakabi ready ngalesa sikhathi.
Angabi ready uVyasileke ngithola ngigcwala i-strat and stuff.
So manje usho
ngila ikasi livukile like ngithi hayi Joe nami like uvukile like uNkulunkulu ungivusile athumela manje soda ungivusile njengoba ngiphila namanje ngisathi ngidinga usizo like ngila ikasi livukile like vele ngifuna ukuba ne-contact noJoe. Ifika ngizwa la khona ngicela ngincede.
Then after Joe uzolandelela i-procedure kaThilo la ishilo le-marathon nani
you must come clean like kunzima ukuthi
like there's two sides of the story. Singabhayisikele emkhonzishleli nayo sibe nebhari yabo
nizwe nestori sasikotshwala nangesilungu sakhe.
uthola uJikotshwala uzothi hayi umntwana bengithi ngiyamsayinisa ayenza so
hayi ngaye ngamtshela
because vele i-contact amforced umuntu uyamdala kumele avaye ayibheka and wena le nto ngeke uyifunde akusiyo isilungu ijakona
athi yakhuluma hala
wala ukuthi like umsana like wangitshela umuntu osifana naye like uMadluphuthu. UMadluphuthu like was his next friend first.
Okay, kuye ngize. So manje wena beki contract
freelancer kahle kahle.
So for mawuya mabakubiza on set uzokhatha uzoshoot. Belandwa kanjani? Bengena procedure, call time,
ukhafiwe. Ngilana ngikaza kashiko.
Ungahafiwa at all.
Ukhafiwa kanjani?
Call like a call mafika la the episode on a call sheet there's a call payment ukuthi vandag this episode yongaya 1,200 per episode if it's active.
Ayikho kanjalo yaziwa boshiko yoba beneficiary.
wena usayinanga for call.
Umntwana ne-background mina ngiyamthola
Hayi indaba
intwana zasekazi not yena kuphela.
Yeah, ngobuningi.
Intwana ezingumapiano current.
Music injalo entertainment.
Sidliwe because of
Didn't know
Yeah, babe.
ngana senkwa.
Hey,
Ngifonela iphone askizi ngifonela uphori. Ngizoyi-answera leyo call. Just ukuthi ngize ngevideo baphi ithemba endlini ukuthi niyabona bekunobani. Yabo intwana ezibhaya bafethu zi-misled kanjalo lokushini.
yeah.
Hayi hayi ukuthi abayazi information.
Bayazi.
Indlala yiyo enza ukuthi
Indlala ibangula.
yabo
Manje indlala ibangele iyenza abochiko babangele ulanga lithi.
ulaka.
Kanti nathi vele siphethwe indlala ndibona abochiko bahlala endlini ezinjani njani. Ngezinkosi zabo and stuff yeah.
Yeah. So to abantu bethu lapha sekhaya as we about to wrap up the show about bayibiza word of the day thina sithi word of the year. Word of the infinity. Because sazoqhubeka yabona. Angeke iphelele manje. Ngicela ukhulume nabo lapha ekhaya.
Ngitshela ukuthi word of the day namhlanje like praise the Lord. Yeah, like uNkulunkulu the Almighty like uhlonipha umzali. Respect umuntu omdala like bafethu. And like stop like umlichara like sichitha egangeni is not akukho grand. Like ngitshona thanda nini thina sabothatha. Sele abantu ama-foreign and stuff. Sele namaphoyisa enza umsebenzi. Singalesi sodwa abantu abamnyama abafana nathi. Ukuthi thina sesibabhekisela phansi. Ngoba sokuthina sesibashisa ngamatayela njengoba zowayenza last. Efuneke nini?
Yeah.
Wrong. Dala abantu bakudala makune bathini ndadingi. Abomandela themba babalekela le exile. Bebabalekela
Yeah,
Why did lo muntu ushisa bakini?
ngitshona. Into efana nale efuneki.
Hayiva.
Yeah.
So okay, only siyaba allow aba documented.
Yeah.
Ukuthi babe khona. Because into abayilwisa ukuthi abana documents.
Yeah.
Kunabanye abana documents bafithe motion ama shop wabo. Whereby nathi bafithe camera mayingawa. Ngayisa kuye. Umuntu omnyama uyadura.
Yabona.
Yakhumbula nge-lockdown inkawu zabika i-5
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
and manje umuntu omnyama uthi uyathenga uyageza naye. Makhulu ageza ngo-4.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I feel as in Tanam. Wait for the day. Do unto others as you'd like them to unto you. Yabonga yenza into engafuni yenze kuwe.
Yeah.
Ayithi singena after ka silvukile mina dala navuka.
So yeah, bafethi kanje lento le. Umkhozi wami uyibekile indaba yakhe. You wish him nothing but the best. I wish lento ifuna uyithole and uphumelele empilweni yabo. There's a guest ezoza mfethu izokhuluma ngale nto eqedwe kuyibambe yokukhiphela abantu bangaphandle ukuthi singathi sicosha abantu bangaphandle bese thina self siyajikelana. The way ba take over ama-taxi, the way bafuna ukutake over ama-Uber bangatake over ama-shop.
Like that mina into engenza ukuthi ngingafuni abantu abangaphandle. Okokuqala ugogo zalo mamami ubuye eZimbabwe.
Oh, yeah.
Ugogo zalo mamami ubuye eZimbabwe. Mamjiyani umuntu umele uthi mamjiyani makasekho kulelithi.
Oh,
Okunomalanga emajiyani.
yeah.
Yeah, wathola ba umkhulu wami ukuba bujiyani ke. Ubuye eZimbabwe ugogo zalo mamami.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's about
Ngizenze ngcono la I'm gonna say lo ringa straight var.
Ne. Okay, ayazi. Wish nothing but the best mfethu. Ube grand empilweni. Thina sohlala sibeke emthandazweni and we make sure ukuthi ikhasi liyavuka and uba grand.
Yeah.
Ne.
Nani nina abama PM abama 320 ini sino fem la peka sunu sama PM. Angithola. Yeah, nizani karzeni but lebuya yeah ontwe mlekutela ngani supporting utachi bafethu.
Yeah.
Senza nama sponsor la peka slam la pa
Yabani kholo.
abo Paul la street.
Plus sekuyabanda bafethu isconsi bafethu.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, isconsi bafethu. Yeah, yabani. Kiyani.
No.
So mina bafethu ngegama ngelinyazo Katlego Ntariana Mule aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself Ntwana Samakhonje la Blomoto Tila Jia Konipot. Make sure you subscribe and like and press the notification button and become a member bafethu and get exclusive content. Man qedile nithathe lo muntu nembusele TV because uyahlupha la. Bona wenzani manje angazi ukuthi kumele ngime Godman ngicela and ungasho ukuthi umdala nakini.
I can't say.
Yes, 42 years.
Akansi.
Again,
God, I don't believe you in a 42.
young forever, Njaya.
Yeah, I don't believe you in a 42.
Young forever.
I can't believe. Shut up. Thank
Okay,
you.
wapenzi, so we're about to wrap it up. But then, ngiyabona ukuthi nisebenzisa izinto zemoba. Ukukhuluma nabantu baseTikTok. Now,
Abantu baseTikTok ngiyanisaba ngempama. Amasingi. And nathanda ukusukela abantu nithi batshontsha amabhetri emoto. Manje ngiyabheka ngatshontsha ibhetri lemoto. Yaka ngoba uconnect ngikunankali. Kunegate eliwona kunegate lemoto ngithi. Manje ngishanga impama ukutshontsha ibhetri lemoto eTikTok financial.
abantu baseTikTok kuwo ma. Mamele straight.
Ayithi abantu baseTikTok yolana ukulisa basekhaya. Kwathi iTikTok bemi Orlando qala. Ngiyisile ngizophatha.
Manje masibawona.
Angifungwa kubala. Aba ngithizela ngawo ngesikhathi.
Abakhumela zitshela yesakala
Ngiyakutshela umuntu. Manje izinto mara ngikhona ama credit.
Akhona ama-Telegram.
Yo.
Akhona ama-Telegram. Hayi wona leka khona. Khona oyekhona. Awuthi eTikTok. ETikTok be-friend uJoey. iTikTok ngoJoey.
Oh, yawuthi tiphufu Joe.
Mbitha leyana program.
Yada is on 3.
Uyazawuthi.
Yada ustorinda.
Yeah.
Oh, yasiyasimathi.
Cup.
Ikhotmanyaga.
Yeah.
Ikhotmanyaga bonje bekithini yami lendana lo.
Mbitha lapho.
Umasikwameni. Joey umasikwameni.
Masukame ya sambiya.
Oh, awuthami ngikhula naye la ngikhula nazo lezi.
Nohlasela izinto zeTikTok.
Hayi leki angaze ngamxoxela lo ndaba le. Ngoba
Ngoba
like angahlaba inkomo each and every house eTikTok.
Yeah, sure.
Komo.
Oh, hayi ngamqamba Joey.
So like uthole that green mara ufuna ukuthi mazokunceda uze ngento esolid.
Yeah.
Ungenzi istory nje
Sensayo.
yeah, ungenzi istory. Njengoba mina ngithi ngifuna nginceda ngisele
Yeah.
Sure.
Futhi angasithabela sonke iTikTok inkomo.
Yeah.
Kodwa ushale ngemi.
Ani lapha
Uyenza lento leyo.
ya uyawayithini. Lapha tiphu falls.
Ahlabela inkomo each and every.
Shaya umqumbi wakhe kwale tiphu falls mntana kuphuma ama-right hayi bosa lezana. Hayi lezana izinto.
Babuchiko
Hayi izinto. Hayi ngiyacela.
Chiko bakhemisa
Etha.
school.
Bheka ngiyacela ngikubuza nje.
Yana phela.
Wena ngigane senemithi masikwameni.
Balapha.
Obuchiko bakhirisa
Inqosi kakhazi hayi maqhi hakho.
Ngithi no Ramaphosa mnca.
Hayi
Balapha player kudlala
Yena kodwa nga.
Bheka
Hayi bafethu.
ilast number leya. Okay, ethi singarate kakhulu ne. Mara mina ngikutshela ukuthi ilast number ngiyayikava.
So manje uthi akakhirisa Ramaphosa.
Yona la kumthetho ngiyamkava.
Ramaphosa sekho.
Awu.
Awuthoda ejoganya.
Hayi makancane. Baba nyamfila na.
Awuthami. Uhlala udlula kubo lapho.
Nyawona shop. Ngiyayibona le.
Besidlala ama-game dati namakhula kunama-game nakhazi.
Yena lahlala khona ngazi.
Hayi abahlala nengosi bonke izingosi zakhe zonke. Hayi ilast number. Khohlwa. Hayi ngiyakutshela nami
Akhele ki rehab ke.
angakwakhela i-rehab kusasa. Mhlawumbe unawo ama-rehab.
Lasinabo Jopo.
Hayi blind ngiyacaba. Hayi ungashongo.
Akakhalisa nabantwana bakhe.
Ramaphosa.
Lasinabo lapha bephurani mancane.
Bafethu
Hayi.
athi sirepe apho uzobuya umkhozi wami yabo. Shout out to abakhona abafana nabo Jojo bekhona siyakucela mfethu.
Boss.
Kapho. Bengicela uthathe umkhozi umise rehab.
Ngoba uyi-helping hand like wanthusa Jo watsiba mntwana. Wanthusa. Akupela unkasi nebekisha ile silamba sa Ferrari utama ka Ferrari. Yeah. Abatsibi namara ke udumele Jo.
Eish.
Kiru ka kherisa Ramaphosa umnyana. Eli rhino sa hayi.
Bafethu alifitha no conversation of the nkathi mvumo. Ngiyeke uyithole impela ku YouTube kaya kapho kaya. Sikuphi phela ngikubuye. Kuthiwa IT. Danko
Hayi izechaya.
Lasinabo lapha.
Awuthoyi.
Ele